In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can create a page border on Pages in Microsoft Word except for the first page. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. First is we just need to open Microsoft Word, so go ahead in the window search bar and type Word, or if you already have your document, you can simply open that. Okay, so I just need to open my document from here. Now it has two pages. Okay, it has two pages. Now let me quickly insert additional page to make it 3 pages. Okay, so you have here, now I have inserted this on this one from here. Okay, so we have now 3 pages. Now at the ribbon, you need to simply look at the design tab, and here you'll find page borders. Click on that. You have to choose from here. Now let's go with box. For the style, let's go with this one. For the color, click on this drop down and then choose the color that you prefer. So I'm just going to go with this one. And then for the width, click on this drop down and choose the width from here. For the art, if you want to make it an art, you can simply choose from here, but I'm just going to go with a normal one. And then you have here apply to. Click on this drop down and you have the option, this section, all except first page. Click on that and click on OK. And that's it. You have just added a border into your Microsoft Word document except for the first page. Okay, so as you can see, the first page doesn't have a border and the next pages do have a border. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.